Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from FIFINE or FIFINE. This is the M9 wireless lavalier mic system. It's good for video recording and streaming. It has active noise cancelling, a range of up to 100 feet, and a battery to use for 5 to 6 hours. So yeah, let's get into it. So it has its own carrying case, instructions, so you can have a detailed view of everything and how it works. So let's just put this to the side. Yeah, really good carrying case with a little handle. And then inside we have some accessories. We have some mufflers for the microphones, wind proof or whatever you call them. You have a USB A to C for charging, the case itself, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, there's a battery indicator. As soon as you open it, it shows the battery life, and then that's how they sit inside. Very similar to another product we all well know, which I think it's quite similar to the DJI mic system. They actually look quite similar, I would say, even the case. So that's a good thing. And on the back we have USB-C port for charging, and yeah, these are already paired, so as soon as you take them out they will pair with the receiver. So this is what you get in this box. These ones I won't open them, you know exactly what to do with them. They cover this microphone, so if it's windy it shouldn't create that fussing noise, you know. Really good quality cable for charging. And then you get this type 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack, like that. You get USB-C to 3.5, which is really useful. And then you get another one, which I think the difference it is this one, as you can see, it has 3 lines, so that means you also raise the microphone as an extra, plus the stereo sound. From what I remember, this is stereo sound, that's with the microphone. So yeah, let's just test it. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to actually, at the moment I'm using my other microphone, which is this from Holy Land. So what I will do, I'm gonna, so yeah, get used to the sound, the way I sound now, because I'm gonna change to this. But for now, let's just take it out. So we'll take this out, we'll take this out, and let's take this one out as well. As you can see, it has pins inside, so we'll just remove this seal, and then we'll turn them all on. Okay, and that as well. Okay, so let's just power this on first. By the way, sorry, my bad. So as you can see, the logo FIFINE, or whatever you call it, on one side is the power button, A and B. I guess it's to increase maybe the sound. We need to check the instructions. That's out, and MS, and that's a USB-C if you want to charge it individually, so that's quite good. And this is the clip. On the microphones you have this logo, the FIFINE logo, 2 LED lights in there, the microphone on the top, a clip as well, so you could put on your, I like that it's silent. And then on one side you have the power button, USB-C for charging. This is the button for noise cancelling, I think. And this is to link it. I think this is just in case they need pairing with the receiver or whatever you call it. You press and hold this button, and then maybe in here you do the same. So yeah, let's have a quick look, because I've rushed to put the instructions in and I don't really know what some buttons are, so let's just see if they explain in here. So as you can see, that's why it has two batteries, red for low battery, green for charging, and then no light for working fully charged, and unpaired. And yeah, so then what's this? Let's see. So MS is white light on, no light. Stereo mode or mono. Okay, so it does stereo mode as well. So that's really cool. It's very good if you're recording videos of speakers, or you want to take recording stereo mode, which is quite cool actually. So okay, so that's how they have white light on or not on. So that's for the power. That means it's turned on or working, and then turn off is no light. Green light flickers is charging, so during charging that will flicker. Red light flickers is low battery. And then in MS, white light on, so this one you have it mono or stereo. That's what means MS. So when the light is on, is in stereo mode, and no light in mono mode. White light flickers, white light on, so this is when you pair it, so that's why it is for. And then volume level of the microphones, like I said. Cool, makes sense. So let's just play around with it. So you can see it explains in here as well. So that's the noise cancelling button, and that's the noise cancelling indicator. Nice one. So it has an indicator for noise cancelling in here. So yeah, let's turn first this on. Okay, so that's on. Let's take this one and turn it on, and then this one, turn it on as well. Okay, so now let's have another look in here, see what it means, the blue light. So the blue light on means it's paired. If it was flickering, that means it wasn't paired. And then paired but muted is red. Okay, so how do you mute it though? Okay, I guess this is power or mute button. So if you press on this once, I think, oh no, it's on the receiver. If you press once, that means it's muted. Pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so I think we've learned how to use it. It's pretty straightforward. So let's just take this, and it says out. We'll plug that in, and then this one will now go on my phone. So you're probably gonna hear the sound without any. It might just stop the video though. Okay, actually it didn't stop the video, so now it's without any microphone. That's how I would sound. And then let me put this one next to my current one. I'm gonna take this down. It's not connected anyway, and we'll plug this in. Okay. So it says recording audio through USB, so that's nice. So you guys, you let me know how I sound. Let me just put this properly. So at the moment, it's just below my chin. Let's take it out a bit. So if you press this, you enable noise cancelling. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing. This is a test with the noise cancelling on. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test with the noise cancelling off. Obviously, it's not quite noisy. And then that's pretty much it from here. Let's try and mute it. See how that works. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. I guess you couldn't hear me earlier. So yeah, let's just skip this and carry on with the video. So what else was it in here? So obviously I have this other one connected as well, but you can have it back in the charger, and you will see now it's charging because it indicates green and flashing. And if I look at the receiver, now the receiver, not sure if you will be able to see, it's only one showing. And let's just do the stereo. So now this will be a stereo sound, so I'm gonna clap on both sides. Hopefully it makes a difference. I'm gonna turn that. Let me just see if I can increase the volume. So we are on B. Okay, so you see it was at maximum. So that's how it is lowest. Testing 1 2 3 testing. Medium, testing 1 2 3 testing. And the loudest, testing 1 2 3 testing. And it's still on stereo. And then let's just do one more thing. Actually, that's it. That's pretty much it. Let's just turn it back on mono. I'm not sure if in stereo maybe you have to use both. So let's try that actually, just in case I failed. So let's just put it down. So we'll put them like that. They're both connected, and we'll put this in stereo mode, like so. So now let's do this clip. Right? Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see on the video how it behaves. So let's just put them to charge, and I'll go back to my usual microphone just to see. So now it's on the phone's speakers, and I will put this to charge as well, and then I'll connect my usual microphone, and we'll see. This one is not using any noise cancelling now, and we'll see how it sounds, if it sounds any different. Okay, so now it's connected. So yeah, let's see. Let me know if you hear me any difference, if you hear any difference. But at the moment you can see it's charging, all green light flashing, and also this one is flashing, the battery LED indicator. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is a really good quality product from what I've seen from other people who already reviewed it. So yeah, let me know how it sounds. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.